When needing to type Word documents, there's a feature called voice typing in Google Docs that allows a user to turn on the feature, and when they speak, the computer will recognize the words that they're saying and convert them into text on the page. To access this tool in Google Drive, you would be within your Google document, go to Tools at the top, scroll down to where you see voice typing, or you can use the keyboard Command-Shift-S. When you select this tool, it should open. If this is your first time opening it, you may need to allow access to your microphone. And then to use the tool, you simply click on this microphone icon on the left-hand side. And when you start speaking, it will convert your speech to text on the page. Test 1, 2. To stop using the tool, you would just click on it again, and you can see how it recognized my speech and converted it to text right here on the page. When you're done to exit the tool, you just close out, and that's how you use the voice typing tool in Google Docs.